Hi, this is Lou from YA Strength, and I felt that I should make a video about some weight loss tips for those of you who are looking for some new ideas or looking to mix things up with regard to how to maintain weight loss or lose weight overall. And I think that we all agree that it can get confusing or overwhelming when it comes to looking at the different approaches that you can take to weight loss or to achieve your weight loss goals. So in this video, I'll be providing you with 5 simple weight loss tips that you might find useful. So keep on watching to find out and stay tuned. And don't forget to show love, subscribe, and help me grow. Let's get started. Okay, so tip number 1 is to avoid sugary drinks or sugary fruit juices. The calories from sugars in the sodas and the fruit juices that we love to drink can seriously hinder all of our weight loss goals. To add to that, the calories found from sugar are essentially empty calories that our bodies do not really find useful in most cases. Consuming those empty calories that we get from sugar can also trigger more cravings, causing you to eat more and more sweet carbs and sugary drinks down the line. Plus, according to a study found in the US National Library of Medicine, and I post that link in the description box below, recent evidence suggests that calories consumed from sugary drinks are positively associated with and has an effect on obesity in children and adults. Tip number 2 is to drink water before you eat. Drinking water is good for you overall in general. But the truth is, studies show that the average person does not drink enough water. And drinking more water can help the body run more efficiently and also clean out the body more naturally. And drinking water before a meal can help you reduce calorie intake because it affects your satiety. So you will feel a lot more fuller in the short term than if you had you not drunk any water prior to eating. And reducing your calories by default can help with overall weight management. Tip number 3 is to eat at a slower pace. Studies show that there are benefits to eating slowly when considering weight management. And according to the NIH, or National Institute of Health, slowing the rate at which you eat can be a very effective tool or strategy for reducing food intake. And eating slowly can also help you feel fuller, whereas eating quickly can actually lead to weight gain because you end up eating more food than you would have if you were eating at a slower pace. And tip number 4 is to get quality sleep. So obviously we all need sleep to help ourselves reset and recharge. Poor sleep is actually a contributing factor to weight gain. And this is because lack of sleep actually increases your stress levels. And when you become stressed and tensed, your cortisol levels increase. And cortisol increases your appetite. So they're all related in some sort of way. To add to that, the fact is that if you stay awake longer, you'll likely want to eat more because you're awake for longer periods of time. And you'll likely want to eat during those woke hours, which is why you probably heard of the phrase midnight munchies. And that's because most people fall victim to those late night urges when your body wants to get those carbs or those sweets in the pantry. And as a result, they slowly eat their weight loss goals away. Tip number 5 is to add coffee or tea to your diet. And it can be caffeinated or decaffeinated. Studies show that drinking coffee and or tea can help boost your metabolism, which means that the speed at which your body breaks down foods and drinks into energy will increase. Additionally, drinking coffee or tea can help naturally curb your appetite. And I've done a few videos on why you should add tea to your diet, so I'll post a couple of those in the description box below. So think of this video when trying to find some simple approaches or simple tips that you could utilize to help achieve some of your weight loss goals. Be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts and or give me some feedback. As always, this is Luke from YA Strength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.